4 cores chip and quick on start. The product adopts the top quad-core chip. Each core in the quad-core chip works together to perform specific tasks to ensure that the process is completed faster and more efficiently. In practical operation, the system realizes fast boot in 3 seconds and solves the problem of slow boot of the same type. 4K front camera plus 1080p HD rear camera optional. The dashcam has 2 high-resolution cameras, front and back, for better high-definition surveillance, color restoration and detail capture. 5 GHz high-speed Wi-Fi. The product applies the latest 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Compared with the traditional 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, it has wider bandwidth, cleaner wireless environment, less interference, stable network speed, and can support higher wireless speed. Therefore, the 5 GHz Wi-Fi video transmission speed will be faster and smoother than the traditional 2.4 GHz. H.265 coding and compression technology, H.265 codec, makes a lot of technical innovation on the basis of H.264, especially in the reduction of real-time delay has a remarkable achievement. It is achieved by reducing the information acquisition time, reduce the random access delay, reduce the complexity of the algorithm, and other multi-dimensional technical advantages. Now using H.265 codec technology, support in the same broadband, to achieve more than 1080p, or even 4K video playback, greatly improving the sense of interaction and the sense of verisimilitude. 170 degrees plus 140 degrees ultra-wide visual angle. The ultra-wide view angles of 170 degrees front camera and 140 degrees rear camera optional give you a more intuitive view of the road conditions, reducing the trouble caused by visual blind areas. Carplay and Android Auto dashcam is compatible with Carplay and Android Auto, breaking the limitations of mobile phone system. Carplay and Android Auto from the phone onto the dashcam. It solves the problem that the dashcam data occupies memory from the source, resulting in slow operation. Wired and wireless connection. Carplay and Android Auto can be realized by connecting the product through the wireless Bluetooth of the mobile phone, or connecting the product with the USB data cable provided by the mobile phone. Not affected by the mobile phone system. Compatible with Apple system and Android system. Better use of app functions on the car. Dashcam temporarily replaces the function of mobile phone. It can access map navigation, receive information, answer and make calls, play music, etc. while you are focusing on the road. Voice assistant. You can use the voice assistant of your phone to help you complete the above functions, which solves the dangerous behavior of using your phone while driving. The voice assistant calls Siri under the CarPlay function, or calls Google under the Android Auto function. If the sound is too loud, such as playing music, you can manually activate the voice assistant by long pressing the lower left corner of the Carplay Android Auto function page. Wireless FMBT plus wired O. This product uses wired and wireless modes to connect the car player. You can choose the mode that suits you, which is more convenient. Dashcam is connected to the player through the FM transmitter, and the connection channel does not conflict with the BT channel. FM transmitter is used to synchronize your car audio. You only need to adjust the FM of the dashcam and the FM of the car player to the same channel to achieve audio synchronization. A dashcam connects to the O of the car through the O cable to realize audio synchronization. The mobile phone is connected to the Bluetooth of dashcam and car at the same time, and the audio synchronization can be realized. 3 machines in one dashcam is connected to the car player through the FM transmitter or O cable connection, and these channel does not conflict with the BT channel, so as to realize the mobile phone, dashcam, car player 3 in 1. Apple AirPlay and Android Miracast. The product realizes Apple AirPlay and Android Miracast through the Wi-Fi connection of the mobile phone. In this mode, the screen projection of the mobile phone can be realized, and the screen page of the mobile phone can be enlarged in equal proportion. But please note that the machine cannot control the phone page in this mode. Online navigation. You can realize online navigation through the software synchronization of your mobile phone, under the function of Carplay and Android Auto. It solves the problem of dashboard lacking comprehensive built-in applications and application updates. For example, navigation application maps cannot be updated in time, and a single software cannot cover all areas. In-app video download and real-time viewing. The video recorded by the dashcam can be viewed, downloaded and saved in real time through the mobile phone, and no cellular data will be generated in the process.